Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with CJ. Today we're going to be making... No, what's that? Hold on real quick. Oh, look at that. Someone loves me. Alright. Well, let's get this thing opened up. What do you think? Well, it looks like we got a little package in the mail today. Someone must love us. Well, let's check it out. Let's see what this bad boy has in it, huh? Let me get my handy dandy pocket knife. Grandpa Rusty gave this to me back in the day. God rest his soul. He's one of my favorite grandpas right there, man. I think I know what this is. Oh yeah. Oh, more goodies. What? And some paper. See what this looks like. This little, look at this little quality checklist thing. All right, I like it. You know what this is right here? This is one of the Meathead knives. I love that I have to use a knife to open up the knife. That's funny. You see the packaging it came in on? That's wrapped up. Looks like a little butcher paper. Little twine around it. Now, from what I hear, these are very, very sharp. All right, so you gotta be careful while you're opening it. Oh yeah. I guess this is proof that it cut through paper. Real nice, like. Good stuff. You know what? Let me bring you in on this. All right, guys, we're back. We got this open. Got this on. It's like Christmas up in here. Let's put that over here. Oh, snap. It looks like this got a little wax paper on it. I know they got to oil these bad boys down pretty good. Yeah, buddy. Look at this bad boy. Alright, hold tight. Let me get all this paper off real quick, alright? Alright, guys, we got all the paper off this bad boy. Set that there. Get the stuff out of the way. Let's see what else we got. Some very cool packaged up something or other. Oh yeah, look at this bad boy. Oh jeez, that is a monster right there. Got a little stuff for your sharpening stone, the leather sheath. Yeah, that's real deal right there. So as you can tell, it goes in like this, right? Goes in like that. Look at that. Got a little belt loop here, belt loop, and then some hanging on your purse. Who knows? All right, very cool. I can't wait to start chopping up on it. Yeah, buddy. That's good stuff right there. All right, I'm gonna get all this cleaned up and we'll talk about it a little bit more, all right? All right, guys, we're back. Gonna sit down, talk about this. Now, I knew this was coming, all right? Not even gonna lie. I have been honored to be one of the first recipients of Meathead's knife, all right? This thing is a hog, but it fits me just right. I can't wait to start, you know, doing my deal with this. This is very cool. I don't have any other words to say it. This is a dope knife. This comes with great packaging. Like I said, I'm honored that Meathead would let me in on this and hook me up and send me out a knife. Now, I've been wanting one of these since I started checking on his channel, all right? It's just been one of those things. It's like, dude, this knife is awesome. I see him using in all his videos. He's a big supporter of my channel and vice versa. So I have been begging for one of these, and he trusted me with getting this thing done. All right, so he sent me out a knife. I'm gonna work on this. I'm gonna use it. Obviously, I can't wait to start using it. I'm gonna go give me some vegetables. I'm gonna give me some chicken. I'm gonna give me a bunch of stuff that I can just chop the hell out of, right? Because this is what's gonna happen. All right, this is the new flavor in CJ's kitchen right here. I can't wait to use this bad boy. Look at this. This is stunning, and it's damn near medieval, man. I can't wait to start chopping up with this bad boy. Like I said, I've been watching his videos. Been jealous. I want one of these. All right, so I will do another review video on these for Meathead. You know, just be a chopping up kind of stuff, kind of video. But in the meantime, I'm just gonna stare at this bad boy. I think it is awesome. I am so pumped up right now. Listen, y'all know Meathead is Meathead, but Chris, from me to you, I really appreciate this from the bottom of my heart. I haven't been so pumped up to get a freaking new toy since, you know, I was a little kid at Christmas. All right, thank you so much. All right, guys, stay tuned for the review. All right, for me getting a little practicing and chopping up. You know, I got the chopping skills. Now I got a big ass knife to match my big ass chopping skills. All right, guys, that's it. Thank you for tuning in. When I do the review video, it'll be up in this iCard. So, you know, hopefully soon. All right, again, Chris, thank you so much. I will have the website to meatheadknives.com below. You make sure you click on that bad boy. Get there, get yourself one of these knives too. These are the bomb.com, man, and they're sharp as hell. I was afraid I was gonna cut myself open in that bad boy. So, anyway, I'm excited. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm really excited. So, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for cooking with CJ. Take care now.